Today, I'm gonna be demoing Project Aqua.
It's brand new, it's on iPhone and iPad, and what we have for you is Adobe's first kids app.
Basically, when you open up the app, there's a bunch of different islands that you can go to.
So if you go into, for instance, Fashion Island.
I played around with this one.
Yeah.
It was so much fun. So I'm gonna start off with this princess dress because it's so cute. You know, I'm going through this pretty quick. The star pattern could be the straps.
If you hit done.
Oops.
Okay, and then you want to add some magic to it.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
so we're sprinkling some magic.
It did work. Okay.
So cool.
Yeah, and then you can save it by hitting the heart on any of those.
I wanted to show everyone
3D.
the 3D. That was really cool. I actually gasped when I saw it for the first time. I was like, there's no way. Okay, so we have this now.
Yeah.
It's a 3D object.
A 3D of the fashion design.
Object, AR. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep, there you go.
And now I can make it smaller and I can move it around and closer to me. That's so cool.
And then you can just hit that to take
I
a
take a
photo.
photo.
Yeah, so then
that's
so
cute.
fun. You can draw this and then you can actually stand next to it and take a photo and be like, here's my creation.
So cool. Let's new paper pier.
Yeah, this is honestly just our most basic one. You can go in, you can draw, you can also choose from different backgrounds there in the lower right. So you can swap out the backgrounds, you can start with different comic pages. Yeah, and different styles there. We have that stickers that if you want to add some stickers
and you can
there.
buy stickers as well.
There's no money. This is a completely free app. What you can do is you earn shells, you collect shells with each creation that you do.
Cool.
And then you're able to unlock more things. And the reason we have that is we want you to experiment and try new things that you can redeem for stickers and paintbrushes. Yeah. So these are all where you can actually watch tutorials from a children's book illustrator. So she's done all of the books that you see behind her.
Okay.
So if you want to say let's draw, it takes you to your canvas.
And I can watch it in the corner.
Exactly.
And I can follow along.
Exactly.
Cute. Oh, I like that you can see over
your hand.
Yeah.
That spotlight is the community spotlight. So you can submit your art. So why don't you submit some artwork that you did? And this is a way to earn extra shells. And other people can take inspiration from the cool art that you're creating. It's all completely anonymous. You don't see any names. There's no weird like counters or any of the other thing that makes art feel like a competition.
It's just a gallery.
It's just a gallery. But please
get on there.
Yeah, get on there. Submit your art. It's free, it's safe. It's for artists of all ages. Yeah.
Thanks guys, bye.
Bye.